Today, let's talk about autopilots. I'm Potsch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. This City Hive feature automatically lets you send emails, push notifications, or text based on customer actions. You can send a welcome email for new signups or even an abandoned cart reminder. It's available on City Hive's Pro and Expert plans. So let's start here from the dashboard. And if you want to find the Autopilots menu, just go here on the left side to the Autopilots icon or the plane icon. And when you click on this screen, you'll see all of the autopilots you already have available. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, this will just be a blank screen. And if you want to start, all you have to do is click on the top right and click on the plus icon. You can see here, create flight, which is you create your own autopilot, or you can create one from a template, which is really cool because not everyone uses these templates. Now we're going to dive into this a bit more further in the next few videos, so stick with us. And for more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.